Hey, this is Mitya from SoundBridge. Before we begin the tutorial, please take a moment to like, click the notification bell and subscribe so you're notified every time we release a new video tutorial. Doing so really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm and we appreciate the support. With that said, let's continue with the video recap of our latest blog tutorial where I will show you how to make your kick drum more punchier by using RitMix. A kick drum is an essential component for every EDM genre. If you are a producer seeking to improve your sound, it's critical to have a solid grasp on how to produce a well-balanced kick drum. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to use RitMix to make your kick drum more punchy. As you can see from the project, I already had a kick drum sound that I was displeased with. It lacked the necessary punch. To correct this, I used the RitMix to add a second layer, which I only used to add punch. I changed the amp and pitch envelope parameters in RitMix before finalizing it with the built-in EQ to tame the high frequencies of the newly created kick drum layer. Let's hear how this layer sounds with the original kick drum. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.